Alright, so this is a video showing you what my bees are like when they are angry, because I've been messing with their stuff for like ever, but you can see they're still kind of tame. Hey girl. Anyways, I have not been able to find my queen since June, and I'm seeing more drone comb than like regular brood. So I don't know if this is a collapse or what, but today I'm seeing girl bees, but I don't know if this is a laying worker situation and my queen's dead. But we shall see. I still have a lot of honey being produced. I have 1, 2, 3 frames, 4, 5, 6, but I'm just not seeing what I should be seeing, I'm guessing. But anyways, this is what they look like when they're mad. And I've been working in the hive for about an hour. And this is my new setup for ants, if anybody's wondering. So it's off the ground, and that stuff right there is Vaseline. So yeah, I go into the dollar store and I buy like 10 Vaselines. It's kind of interesting the stares I get, but there you go.